Guys, for today, it's a vlog day. Ngayon pa lang, nakikita nyo na umiiyak siya kasi nilabas ko na tong pictures. Ang pinaka-ayaw niya sa lahat, ang mga picture. Ayaw niya na magturo-turo. Pero may time kasi na gusto niya, na may time na ayaw niya. Kaya talagang, isang pahirapan kami sa picture na to. Kaya guys, for today, my first vlog namin ni Gabriel! Hi guys! Sabi mo, hi madlang people! Please follow, subscribe my YouTube channel and more followers pa. Look at the picture. Tingnan mo sa camera, makikita nila umiiyak ka. Nagpo-point-point ka na, hindi ko pa naman tinuturo. Ganun talaga muna. Una sipon muna. Nag-aaral kami ngayon guys ng family pictures. So, para alam niya, ang mga mommy at daddy niya, stop yan. Yan yung pinakamahirap pa dito sa kanya guys. So, kakaturo namin kaka-blow-blow-blow. Nasobrahan rin sa pag-blow-blow niya. This is Ate Neng. Ate Neng. This is you, Gabriel. Look at your picture, oh. Tingnan mo yung picture mo. Umiiyak ka ba dito? Tingnan mo yung picture mo. Umiiyak ka ba? Umiiyak ka ba? O bakit ka umiiyak ngayon? Bakit ka umiiyak ngayon, ha? Bakit ka umiiyak ngayon? Nag-aaral lang tayo. O yeah, it's you. Your picture, Gabriel. Just wait. Nagmamadali ka na naman. May lakad ka? Kakatoothbrush lang natin. Go. Ate Neng, look at the picture. Ate Neng, Gabriel. You are Gabriel. Ate Neng, Gabriel. Get the picture, Ate Neng. Where's Ate Neng? Very good. This is Ate Neng. Get the picture, pero point na lang yung ginawa niya. This is Ate Neng. Pero mas maganda yun, ha? At least alam niya. This is your Daddy Pablo. This is your Daddy Pablo. This is you, Gabriel. It's you. Look at your picture. Look at your picture. Umiiyak ba ang mukha mo dito? Why are you crying? Umiiyak ba ang mukha mo dito? Stop crying na yan, ha? Point again. Daddy Pablo, Gabriel, look at your picture. It's not me. Hindi sa akin tumingin. Gabriel, Daddy Pablo, Gabriel, Daddy Pablo, Gabriel, Daddy Pablo, Gabriel. Where's your picture? Where's your Gabriel? Very good. This is Gabriel. It's you ba to, Gabriel? Ikaw ba to, Gabriel? Ikaw ba to? Can you point the Gabriel? Point mo nga si Gabriel. Asa si Gabriel? Point mo nga. Point mo muna si Gabriel. Point. It's your dad. It's not you. Ito ikaw, oh. Yeah. Gabriel. Talagang more crying siya. Sa ganito, lagi kami ganito. Sa pagdating sa picture, kahit doon sa therapy niya, ito talaga lagi niya iniiyakan din. Picture. Ewan ko ba, may phobia ba siya sa mga picture? Magaganda naman sila. Mga gwapo naman sila. Siyempre, ako din. This is Mala. Mala. Look at the picture, Mala. Aking! Nahawakan na kay Ate Neng mo. Look at the picture. Look at the picture, Gabriel. La. Daddy Pablo, look at the picture. Daddy Gabriel. Daddy Pablo. Can you point your daddy, Pablo? Ma. Look at that. Aching! Bayan, aching ka ng aching. Mamala. Daddy, Pablo. Mamala. Oh. Where's your daddy, Pablo? Can you point your daddy, Pablo? Oh, very good. This is your daddy, Pablo. Daddy, Pablo. This is your Kuya, Paul. Kuya, Paul. Kuya, Paul. Kuya, Paul. This is your, look at that, Gabriel. Busy sa kamay. La. La. Gabriel. La. Oh, can you point again? Kuya Paul. Mamala. Gabriel, look at the picture. Kuya Paul. Cheng. Mamala. Where's the picture? Mamala. Where's Mamala? Wrong. I said, Mamala. Look at the picture. Tingnan mo yung picture. Wrong. I said, Mamala. Very good. This is Mamala. Mamala. This is your Papalo. Kuya Paul. Papalo. Kuya Paul. Papalo. Where's Kuya Paul? Very good. This is Kuya Paul. Kuya Paul. Kuya Paul. This is Kuya Francis. Kuya Francis. Kuya Francis. Look at that picture, Gabriel. Kuya Francis. Papalo. Papalo. Oh, can you get the picture? Kuya Francis. Papalo. Can you get the picture or point the picture, Papalo? Alam na alam, wala pa nga sinasabi. This is Papalo. Papalo. Crying. Nakakaiyak ba tong picture ni Papalo na sobrang pogi niya dito? Nakakaiyak ba? This is me! Ate Jinky! Look at me! Gabriela's Ate Jinky. Gabriela's Ate Jinky. Look at me. It's not Ate Jinky yan. Kuya Francis. Me. Ate Jinky. Ate Jinky. This is Ate Jinky. This is Kuya Francis. Ate Jinky, it's me. Look at me. At Kuya Francis. Can you get my picture? Where's Ate Jinky? Where's my picture? Very good. This is me. Ate Jinky. Ate Jinky. This is me, Ate Jinky. This is your Mama Jenny. Mama Jenny. Mama Jenny. Where's the picture? Kuya Francis. This is Kuya Francis. Can you point the picture, Kuya Francis? Where's Kuya Francis? Where's the Kuya Francis? Can you point the picture, Kuya Francis? Very good. This is Kuya Francis. Kuya Francis. This is Ate Jinky. Mama Jenny. Look at me. This is me. This is me, Ate Jinky. This is your Mama Jenny. Where's the picture, your Mama Jenny? Can you point the picture, Mama Jenny? Where's the picture, Mama Jenny? Wrong! It's me yan. I said, Mama. Ay, huwag mo ko takasan. Mama Jenny. Where's your Mama Jenny? Where's your Mama Jenny? Look at the picture. This is your Mama. Can you get the picture, your Mama? Ano yan? Ate Jinky? Mama Jenny. Ate Jinky? Mama Jenny. Oh, where's Mama Jenny? Oh, get the picture, Mama Jenny. Oh, get mo yung picture ni Mama Jenny. This is your Mama. Oh, give me. Give me the picture, your Mama. Oh, hindi ko. No, give me. I know your point. Give mo sa akin yung picture ni Mama mo. Oh. Di na natapos yan. Where's your Mama Jenny? Give me. O, give mo. O, give mo sa akin. O, di ba? This is your Mama Jenny. This is Ate Jinky. O guys, sa pangalawa naman tayong pag-aaralan.